Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed. Be devoted to one another in love. Honor one another above yourselves. Above all else, guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it. A cheerful heart is good medicine, but a crushed spirit dries up the bones. A new command I give you: love one another. As I have loved you, so you must love one another. Ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and the door will be opened to you. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they will be called children of God. Be joyful in hope, patient in affliction, faithful in prayer. Flesh gives birth to flesh, but the Spirit gives birth to spirit. Pride goes before destruction, a haughty spirit before a fall. What good is it for you to gain the whole world, yet forfeit your soul? The mind controlled by the sinful nature is death, but the mind controlled by the Spirit is life and peace. Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they will be filled. Blessed are the merciful, for they will be shown mercy. Blessed are the meek, for they will inherit the earth. Do nothing out of selfish ambition or vain conceit. Rather, in humility, value others above yourselves. Stop judging by mere appearances, but instead judge correctly. If it is possible, as far as it depends on you, live at peace with everyone. The light shines in the darkness, and the darkness has not overcome it. Accept those whose faith is weak, without quarreling over disputable matters. So then, let us not be like others who are asleep, but let us be awake and sober. I am the good shepherd. The good shepherd lays down his life for the sheep. Start children off on the way they should go. and even when they are old, they will not turn from it. Where there is no revelation, people cast off restraint. But blessed are those who heed wisdom's instruction. Warn divisive people once, and then warn them a second time. After that, have nothing to do with them. Blessed are those who do not walk in step with the wicked, or stand in the way that sinners take, or sit in the company of mockers. Hope you like the content. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a great day ahead. Good luck to you.